Team Hallam YouTube channel. I hope you've all had a very Merry Christmas, and today we're going to show you the differences between all the different bikes we have. This is a road bike. As you can see, we have a lot smoother wheels here and some drop handlebars. Here, the gears are a bit closer together, as you will see on the mountain bike we're going to come up to next. We have some clipping pedals here, and that's basically it for the road bike. Change the gears by pushing all of it to get an easier gear, and this little bit to get a harder gear. This is a track bike.
So, what's the difference between a track bike and a road bike?
A track bike has a different type of clipping make use on velodromes.
Awesome. And how many gears does the track bike have?
One, since there is no gears up here, as you can see.
Oh, but
there has to be a gear on every bike for it to work.
Yeah. So what else does a track bike not have compared to a road bike?
It doesn't have brakes.
Yeah. So how do you control your speed?
You have to slow down your pedaling to make it slow down.
Awesome. And where do you use your track bike?
On a velodrome, maybe.
Cool. Which velodromes have you ridden on?
I have ridden on Derby. No, I mean, Dad was ridden on Derby and the Valley and Welling. I've only ridden on Welling.
Okay, so this is a cyclocross bike, and as you can see, it is basically a road bike, but obviously it has knobbly tyres for going off-road and slightly more spaced out gears here. It has disc brakes, unlike most road bikes, and there's only one gear flicker or something like that, to change the gears. So you push it further away to get an easy gear, and not as far to get a harder gear. This is a mountain bike. As you can see, it's a lot different from any of those bikes. It has flat bars and a lot bigger, chunkier tyres.
I'm here.
Has a lot more gears as well.
I'm here.
Has some spiked pedals for extra grip, going over rock gardens and mud. And as you can see, the shape is a lot different from the cross, road and track. It has suspension. Some mountain bikes have suspension on the back and the front, but this one only has it on the front. Here's the lock. Here's the lock to stop the suspension working, and here's the quick release. As you can see, it also has disc brakes, and that's it for the mountain bike.
This is my pedal bike.
These things hold the pedal bike spin.
Excellent. And
What are these, Rafa?
where are your handlebars? What are those?
These things stop my wheels moving.
Awesome.
What are they called, Rafa?
Squeezy brakes. And what is the difference between your pedal bike and this bike here?
Your balance bike.
What's the difference?
I want to do the handlebar.
Yeah.
So, what's this?
These handlebars are different to the pedal bikes. Handlebars.
And how do you make this bike go? You push it with your feet.
And I'm then tell you how to stop.
Go on, how do you stop?
Put your feet on the ground.
Feet on the ground.
Stop.
Yeah. And then how do you make your pedal bike stop? Squeeze. Good boy.
these are all the different types of bikes we own. What types of bikes do you own? Tell us in the comments below. Remember, we are Team Hallam, and remember, until next time, have a great ride.